Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing the Learn Code series, and today we're doing the time and date script. Now, what this does is it allows you to write the script, and the script, when it's been activated, tells you the time, the date, whatever you put down that you want to use. So I could just put year if I wanted, and it would just show up as year. I could put year and month, and it would come up as that. For that part, you can put if you want it second, millisecond, month, day, hour. That's all up to you. But the rest of the script, you need to get that right. Okay. So you're allowed to go a little bit of free play with the rest, with the last bit. Okay. So this is three lines, and it's very, 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 very simple. So what we want to do first, we want to put from, and then space, date, time. Okay, space, import, space, date, time. Okay, then return, and write now, then space equals space, date, time, no spaces, but when we do date time, no space between date and time, just to get that sorted out. Then dot, now, open and close brackets, return, and now we're on the last line. Print, space, open bracket. Wait. Let me just. Yeah. Let me just get rid of this. Right. So, print. Space, open bracket. I'm going to put first, now. Sorry, I got something in my throat. Okay, so I'll put now, dot. I'm going to do this in order, so I'm going to put year. Okay, then I'm going to put this thing here, next to year. And I'm going to do a space, now, dot, month. Now, why we have to put now dot year dot year, month, day, all that kind of stuff is because it automatically detects your time zone, because location, I think, location services and stuff, it knows all that. Okay, it knows the year, obviously. It knows month, it knows the day, all that kind of stuff. And it will automatically detect what that is, and it will show you. It won't, just for a heads up, when you're done with the whole script and you want to know what time it is in a minute, don't wait, you're going to have to, when you run it, just click the X, then run it again to keep on to keep on seeing the time. So if hypothetical, if it's 2019, which it is, and it's the 5th month, which is May, and then in about 3 seconds, let's make it 10 seconds, it will be the next month, the 6th month. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the 5 hasn't changed because we haven't reactivated. We haven't reactivated the script. That's why we're gonna have to take it off and then put it and run the script again, and then we can see that the 5 is turned to the 6. But hypothetical that. Okay. Right, now we're going to turn off the script and we're going to carry on. So we're just going to go back, and we're going to do that we're going to do all of that but we're just not gonna put year and a month. Okay, we're gonna do this time now.day. Oh, not bow. Now that. Not Joe. Now. Not that. Now.day. That little thing and space. Then we're gonna put out. Then we're gonna put now.hour. This little thing here. Space. Then it's now.minute. Hopefully that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now .second, and I haven't done this bit before. Let's see. So now.second. Let's see if this works. Okay, no more scripts. That is it. No, nanosecond hasn't worked. I don't think it does nanosecond. Okay, right. Now, once we've done all that script, we can obviously see that it tells us all that. But how will we know what order it in? We're the only ones who know what order it is. If you guys did it different, then you know what order it is. But if you made this in an app, as an app on the Google App Store, on the Google Store or the App Store, Mac Store or anything, there's no way of anyone knowing what it is, except for the year, because that's kind of obvious. We all know what the year date looks like. If you don't, see a doctor. So obviously we're gonna have to help people know what's time, what all that is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the first line from, then we're gonna just come before the F on from and just return. So we can have one line before the from date time import date time, and then we're gonna put print. If you've watched my previous videos, you know what I'm doing. So print open brackets, these little two fly things, and then we're gonna put what order it in. Okay, what order it is in. So year, month, not moth, month, day, hour, minute, and I'm just gonna do it like this instead. Second. So if we click on the run, forgot one bit. Right, so we're gonna do here. We're just gonna do these two little fly things, then close brackets. Okay. Just remember, when you're doing a print, you just want to make sure that you got them little two fly things at the end and start of the sentence and the open and close bracket. Okay, we're gonna run the. We're gonna run it. And as we can see here, it tells us which is which. It's all in order. People are obviously gonna know. If they don't, I kind of get it because it doesn't exactly tell you really much. But you can, if you want, you can tell people what is what. Okay. So here we got hour 2019, month 5th, day 4th, hour 21st, minute 22, and second 58. Now we're going to stop, and then we're going to run. And as we can see, it's changing every time. As you can look at the seconds, so here 47 seconds, and then it's 51 seconds, because like I've said, when we run it, the time has stopped. It's just a boring old picture. Just pretend it's a picture. You took a picture of it. You literally took a screenshot of it. You saved it to your gallery. This is the picture. Then we'll come back onto the app and we can stop it, and then we replay it, and then it's changed. and that's what it basically is, because it's not gonna, unless if you know a bit of code, knowing how to do that, then that's awesome. And you can see if you want, you can try to change it to make it so it keeps them changing even though you're running the script. I don't know how to do that. I will find out. I have been trying to find out. Like I said, I'm very new at code. I only know how to do printing words, and now know a bit about code. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you didn't, then smash the dislike button. But if you did, then smash that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends, family, dogs, cats, parrots, goldfish, fish that aren't gold, all that kind of stuff. See you guys later.